My name is Dominique, and this is our chemical equation for our project. First, we're going to write each chemical singly by itself and then balance it. Now you're going to look at by the numbers by each side of each chemical, and if it doesn't have the number, then it's just represented as 1. So Na is going to be 1, NO is going to be 3, Pb is going to be 1, and oxygen is going to be 1. Pb on this side is going to be 1, NO, which is 3 times 2, which is going to be 6. And then Na is going to be 2, and O is going to be 1. Since the Na and NO is 2 and 6, you go to this side and times it by 2, and 1 changes to 2, 3 changes to 6. So in the lines, you're going to put 2, meaning Na is times by 2, making it 2, NO is 3 times 2, which makes it 6, and then everything else is the same. So since you don't change anything else, you put 1. And that is our equation.
Hello, my name is Indiana. I'm the problem solver of the team, and today we're going to be solving a stoichiometry problem. First, we look at the equation on the top and realize if the equation is balanced, which in this case it is. The next step is to look at the word problem and identify what the word problem is asking us to solve, which is volume of hydrogen. And the next step is to identify what the problem is giving us, which is 2.5 grams of zinc. Gram is the unit of mass right here. The next step is to build our stoichiometry problem. First, we write 2.5 grams of zinc. Next, we look for the gram of zinc. So we have to look in the periodic table, which is right here, and it's 65.38. You could also round it off, and I would make it 65.4. One rule in a stoichiometry problem is that whatever unit's in the top has to be in the bottom, and because 65.4 grams of zinc is equal to 1 mole of zinc, we have to put 1 mole of zinc in the bottom as our unit, 1 mole of zinc, which is also equal to 1 mole of H2. H2 is equal to zinc because of the balanced equation. The next step is to take 1 mole of H2, put it in the bottom, 1 mole of H2. 1 mole of H2 is equal to 22.4 liters. 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters, and volume, there are 2 units, which is liters and milliliters. Now you're finished with that part. Now you have to solve it. So you take all the numbers on the top, which is 2.5 plus 1, well, times 1 times 1 times 22.4 right here, and then you divide it by the bottom numbers, which is 65.4 times 1 right here. In the top, you're going to get 56. Now you're going to divide it by the number you get in the bottom, which is 65.4. You put in your calculator, and 0.8562 is going to come out. You could also round it off, and it's going to be about 0.86 liters of H2, and that's how you get your answer. Thank you for watching.
Hi. Hello, my name is Jaime, and we're doing a Rube Goldberg experiment. I am the representative of this group. If we look right here, we're gonna get a balloon full of vinegar and put it into baking powder so that it tips over the ball, and the ball will hit the dominoes, hit the car, and hit this ball, knock this candle will be on fire and light the string on fire, and the string will let go of these sprinkles falling on the cupcake.
Hi, my name is Crystal Romero. I'm the designer, and this is a birthday party apparatus.